Greetings to all of you. This is author Devansh Mehta, and I have come in my new. In this video, I will be talking about some extensive learnings from India's global pharmaceutical giants for the emerging startups. It's a very trending topic, so that's why I have selected this topic for this particular video. And let's get deep down into the video. Now, talking first, India has emerged as a global leader in pharmaceuticals, known for its ability to manufacture and supply high quality, affordable medicines worldwide. Indian pharmaceutical companies such as Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Cipla, Biocon, Aurobindo Pharma, Lupin, and Zydus Cadila have made significant contributions to the global healthcare ecosystem. These companies have achieved remarkable success through strategic global expansion, research driven innovation, regulatory expertise, and cost efficient manufacturing. For emerging pharmaceutical startups, learning from these industry giants is crucial. Understanding their strategies, challenges, and success factors can help startups build sustainable, competitive, and globally recognized pharmaceutical businesses. This video explores the key lessons from India's top pharmaceutical companies and presents an actionable insights for startups aiming to achieve long-term growth and global success. Now, starting first, mastering cost efficiency without compromising quality. Why does it matter? The Indian pharmaceutical industry's global competitiveness is built on low cost and high quality production. Also, India supplies 40% of generic medicines to the US and over 60% of global vaccine demand while maintaining a stringent quality standards. Companies like Cipla and Sun Pharma have successfully driven affordable healthcare solutions while maintaining profitability. Now, lessons from the industry giants. Sun Pharma and Cipla have optimized manufacturing costs through lean manufacturing techniques to minimize the waste, strategic supply chain management to keep raw material costs low, and bulk production and economies of scale to achieve cost advantages. Dr. Reddy's and Aurobindo Pharma have mastered low cost active pharmaceutical ingredient sourcing to maintain a competitive edge. Now, actionable strategies for startups. Go for implement the lean manufacturing, adopt just-in-time inventory management and Six Sigma principles to eliminate waste and enhance efficiency. Leverage automation and artificial intelligence in production. The artificial intelligence powered manufacturing can reduce human error, optimize production, and enhance quality control. The next, build cost-effective API sourcing strategies. Instead of relying on single supplier, diversify API procurement to maintain price stability. And the last, ensure regulatory compliance at every step. Follow WHO GMP, US FDA, and European Union GMP standards from the beginning to avoid costly recalls and regulatory issues. Now, coming to the next point. Strategic global expansion and regulatory mastery. Why does it matter? The Indian pharmaceutical industry's success is largely attributed to global regulatory compliances. Companies that master FDA, EMA, and WHO approvals expand more easily into regulated markets like the US, Europe, and Japan. Dr. Reddy's and Aurobindo Pharma became global players by rapidly acquiring regulatory approvals for international expansion. Now, the lessons from the industry giants. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories strategically entered the US market by investing in FDA approved facilities. The Aurobindo Pharma focused on regulatory excellence, ensuring that their drugs met stringent global compliance requirements, and Biocon established itself as a leader in biosimilars by investing heavily in regulatory research and development to meet global standards. Now, the actionable strategies for startups. Build a strong regulatory affairs team. Navigating FDA, EMA, and other regulatory approvals requires expertise in drug filings, compliance, and documentation. Now, target emerging and regulated markets simultaneously. Means you must target emerging and regulated markets simultaneously. While securing US FDA approval can be difficult, startups can first enter African, South American, and Southeast Asian markets to build revenue and reputation. Develop a niche regulatory strategy. Instead of competing in overcrowded generic markets, focus on biosimilars, orphan drugs, or specialty medicines for faster regulatory approvals. Leverage government incentives for compliance. India's Production Linked Incentive, that is PLI scheme, supports companies investing in API and regulatory compliance. Now the third point is investing in R&D for long-term growth and innovation. Why does it matter? The research and development investment is the key to long-term survival in pharmaceutical industry. Companies like Biocon and Sun Pharma have secured a competitive edge by focusing on biosimilars, new drug formulations, and specialty drugs. The global pharmaceutical market is shifting towards personalized medicines, gene therapy, and biotechnology based drugs. Now, lessons from the industry giants. Biocon became a global biosimilar leader by investing in cutting edge biotechnology research. Now, Sun Pharma expanded its pipeline through innovative formulations and specialty drugs instead of relying solely on generics. Dr. Reddy's laboratories focuses on high value research and development in oncology, neurology, and autoimmune disorders to differentiate itself. Now, the actionable strategies for startups. Collaborate with research institutes and universities. Partner with academic institutions to access high level research without heavy capital investment. Utilize artificial intelligence and big data for drug discovery. Artificial intelligence driven drug discovery reduces development timelines and improves success rates. It also secures intellectual property early, file patents for innovative formulations to create a high value drug portfolio. Diversify research and development investments, like instead of relying on generics alone, explore biosimilar specialty medications and novel drug discovery delivery systems. Now, coming to the fourth point, now this is strengthening supply chain and distribution for global reach. Why does it matters? The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the vulnerabilities in pharmaceutical supply chains. Lupin and Aurobindo Pharma successfully diversified their API sourcing and distribution networks to avoid disruptions. Managing an efficient and cost-effective and resilient supply chain is critical for startups entering global markets. Lessons from industry giants. Cipla ensured supply chain efficiency by investing in logistic optimization and real-time monitoring. Lupin minimized disruptions by sourcing APIs from multiple geographic locations. Now, the actionable strategies for startups. Diversify the APIs and raw material sourcing. Avoid over-reliance on China or a single supplier to mitigate risk. Use blockchain for supply chain transparency. That is, blockchain technology can enhance traceability and compliance in global logistics. Develop a direct-to-pharmacy model. Reduce dependency on wholesalers by partnering directly with the hospital and pharmacies. Now, coming to the fifth point. Leveraging digital transformation and data-driven decision making. Why does it matter? The digital transformation is redefining pharma with AI-driven research, telemedicine, and digital marketing. Companies like Dr. Reddy's and Sun Pharma are using data analytics to optimize drug development and marketing. Actionable strategies for startups. Adopt artificial intelligence and machine learning for drug development. AI can speed up clinical trials, drug formulations, and market analytics. Use digital marketing to enhance brand presence. Build an omni-channel marketing strategy with webinars, influencer partnerships, and healthcare content. Optimize distribution with smart logistics, that is AI-powered predictive analytics can improve inventory management and demand forecasting. Now, concluding with this roadmap, the roadmap for emerging pharma startups is India's pharmaceutical industry has achieved global dominance by focusing on cost efficiency, regulatory compliance, research and development innovations, strong supply chains, and digital transformations. Emerging startups can replicate this success by implementing scalable, strategic, and technology driven models. By adopting smart regulatory strategies, investing in R&D, leveraging automation, and building resilient supply chains, startups can position themselves for sustainable global success. The future belongs to the companies that innovate fearlessly and embrace ethical practices and execute their vision strategically. That's it. This is signing off. Devansh Mehta. Jai Hind.